Boys and girls, it's time to start math. We are going to start our math packets this week. Last week at the school, you should have picked up a bag that had a math packet and a poetry packet in it. If you didn't get to pick that bag up, let Mrs. Meekin know so that we can make arrangements for you to do that soon so that you can get started on your math. Okay, so I'm going to go over with you today. We're just going to go over the introduction because that's the only thing that you're doing today, Monday. Starting tomorrow, Mrs. Meekin's going to go through each lesson with you and teach you the way that I would teach you if you were in the classroom. So I want you to take a look at my screen, and you can see that this says Chapter 1, numbers 0 to 5. So for Chapter 1, we're going to be learning how to show how many with numbers from 0 to 5. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the page. I want you to turn the page with me. I want you to remember that when we start math, every day you're going to need your math packet, a pencil, and you might even need crayons. It's always good to have crayons nearby because some of the questions in our math packet require you to color. Okay, so let's look at the next page. We're going to look at this page where it says, "Am I ready?" So they're asking, are you ready to start Chapter 1? So what you're going to do is you're going to have a parent or a guardian, just for today, read the directions to you. And answers number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's look at number 1 together so you can see what it's going to look like every day. So down here it says number 1, match each cat to one cat bed by drawing a line from each cat to a bed. So you would look at number 1 and you would take your pencil and match the cat to the cat bed. Like I said, today I want you to do it with a parent or a guardian nearby because this is just an introduction. Starting tomorrow when we start lesson 1, Mrs. Meekin's going to be doing it and you're going to be doing it right along with me. I want you to keep in mind when we're doing math together, some of us work really fast and some of us might not work as fast, and that's okay. So that's why having videos is super great. You can always pause the video and come back and join us when you're ready. Okay, so what I want you to do for today is I want you to complete the Am I Ready page together with a parent or a guardian so that we could see together if you're ready to start Chapter 1. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at the next page. This says, My Math Words. These are the words that we're going to be using in Chapter 1. The first word is more. The second word is less. More, less. Those are 2 words that we're going to be using a lot in Chapter 1. So I want you to tell a parent or guardian, do you know what more or less mean? If you don't, and when we start lesson 1 tomorrow, we're going to find out, okay? Okay, so you can trace the word more and you can trace the word less in your math packet. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead to the next page. This says, My Vocabulary Cards. These are do you see the little scissors here, boys and girls? These are cards that you can cut out and put in a Ziploc bag or a paper bag if you want to. These are cards that you can use to help you practice writing or seeing the numbers 0 through 5. I'm going to go ahead and switch to the next page because this page you could see that you can trace the words. You can trace the words equal to, count, 4, 5, less than, greater than. Boys and girls, on your own time, you can go ahead and trace those words and cut out the vocabulary cards. Same thing with this page. You can cut these out on your own time and put them in a Ziploc bag whenever you have a chance to. Okay, so we're going to go to the next page. This is the same thing. It's just different numbers. Number 1, 2, 3, and don't forget 0. And this word says number. So you can get your pencil and trace these and cut them out as well. These are just some more flashcards that you can use, that you can practice tracing, and you can make a little foldable book that you can keep at home that you can practice learning your numbers with a parent or a guardian at home. And as you can see the little steps up here to show you how to make this foldable organizer for your numbers. Boys and girls, that's all you have to do for Monday. So remember, this is called an introduction. So Mrs. Meekin just wanted to give you a little introduction to what you're going to be learning in Chapter 1. Tomorrow, we're going to do our Chapter 1, Lesson 1 workbook page together. So when you go to Google Classroom and you see Tuesday, My Math, that means that you need to get this math packet and a pencil handy so that you can work with Mrs. Meekin together. Sound good? Okay, boys and girls, that's all I have for today. I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.